Hello, welcome to my channel Hatal Beauty Studio. Today we are doing the side braid that will start from the top and go all the way on the bottom, and it will be in the sideways. So before I start that, I actually comb my hair and untangle it as well. Now we're gonna go forward with the side part and start doing the braid in a sideways. Here I took the video in a slow motion so you can easily see that how am I exactly doing. I'm taking small pieces and following my braid. As you can see, I'm not using any comb or anything, it's just the freehand, so I'm just using my finger. This is actually my most favorite common braid that I usually wear it and actually this braid that you can wear in a I wear it in a regular or sometime in a function also, but you can do it in the same way. You can wear that in a regular days also, or if you have to go to any function or small party or anything like that, you can definitely wear that, and it's very easy. As you can see, I'm not even using a comb or anything, it's freehand. You can watch till the end to see a beautiful look. And if you haven't subscribed my channel as of yet, please do and share with your friends and family. I do share makeup, beauty, hair hacks and before after pictures also, and video also, and food and DIY and many much more. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. I am continuously doing only on my one side. My other side of the hair, it's still as it is. I am not grabbing any of the hair or any of the hair loop from the other side. So here I'm done with my one side. I'm gonna secure that with a pin or a clutcher or butterfly, kind of whatever you have handy. I have a butterfly right now, so I put it there. Now I'm gonna start on my second side. Same way, I'm gonna part in a 3 and then start to braid it down from top to bottom, and I'm gonna follow this hair braid to the other side where I have the other braid on, not on this side. So it's I'm gonna go over behind in a go opposite direction, not at the same side where I have the hair right now. And using the same format, taking a smaller piece and start doing the braid. Again, not using my comb, just using the finger. Done with this side of the hair also. I'm continuously braiding as a small regular braid and taking my hair on the other side. See how I mix both together. And here I am removing my first clip that I had previously, and now I have a 2 sections, so I'll just start to doing braid like a fishtail kind of braid, taking small piece from each side and continuously doing the braid. Here I am pulling my braid hair a little bit so it doesn't look that skinny and tight. It will look little loose with some messy look. Make sure to do it on the both side, not only on the one side. Here I am done and putting my rubber band on. I would suggest to use a tiny rubber band like this whenever you are doing this kind of braid, because big rubber band does not look good. I'm pulling my hair a little bit on the front top also, where we start the braid, so it doesn't look too tight, and give it loosen out a little bit and give you a nice look. And here is the final look. Let me know how you guys like it. You